Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So guys, today we are going to discuss topic about it. What is it in grammatically? Where we can use it and uses of it. So let's begin. It is a preposition which is used with workplace and with building. It is a preposition which is used with workplace and with building. Where we can use it? Workplace plus with building. We can use it. For example, he is at work. He is at work. I am at Basilk. Basilk is a institute. It is also used with specific hours of the day. It is also used with specific hours of the day. For example, I took tea at 7 o'clock. I took tea at 7 o'clock. It is also used when we talk about specific point or place. It is also used when we talk about specific point or place. For example, he is at the top of the stair. The cat is at the door. It shows specific point. It is also used with event. It is also used with event. For example, I saw him at the party. Where I saw him at the party means that it's an event. It is also used when someone is at somebody's house. It is also used when someone is at someone's body's house. For example, Abdullah is at Fahad's house. Abdullah is at Fahad's house. Note: we can't use with work. We can't use the with work, home, and school. We can't use the with work, home, and school. For example, he is at home. School, at work. We can use like this. We cannot use, for example, he is at the home. It is wrong. So guys, this is our today lesson. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. My new video is coming to you first. If you want to get more information, please contact with me. Thank you, my supporter.